Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these gift bags and 4x6 frames I got from Dollar Tree. The frames, I'm using 4 of them, and I remove the backing and inserts from all of them, remove the little pins off of the frames, and then I'm hot gluing the glass into 3 of them. For the 4th frame, I'll be taking the gift bag and I cut away the front of it, place the glass on it and trace that out and cut it out. I then take Mod Podge and apply that to one side of the glass. Once I have that completely covered, I place down the bag, smoothing it out, using my heat tool to dry it, and then while that's still really warm, I take parchment paper and smooth it out to get rid of any bubbles or wrinkles. I then sand away the excess paper on there, add the hot glue to the frame like I did on the other 3, and then place in that bag with the gift bag on it. The image will be facing the back of the frame. I then add Gorilla Grip glue and hot glue to the back side of one of the frames and place that along the edge of the one with the gift bag. I then do the same thing with another frame, adding it to the other side of the frame with the bag. And I decided to kind of cover up the backs of those frames. I'm adding some Garland. I just take these pieces I got from Dollar Tree and I'm hot gluing them into the 4 corners where all of the frames will meet. Next, I'm taking the Gorilla Grip glue and adding that to the frames that are facing up right there, and then hot glue to the remaining frame that I have to glue in, and then attach that between those other 2 frames. Then I'll be making a bottom for it, so I take these 2 pieces of plank wood from Dollar Tree, add some Gorilla Grip glue to the side of one of them and place the other one along it, and then cut down a craft stick and hot glue that to the 2. And I made sure that the ends of the craft stick, there's a space, so I'll be able to glue it down so it'll be nice and flat. I then paint the entire thing with ink colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I add hot glue all around the edge on the side that has the craft stick, and then place that on the bottom of the frames. I take a couple different sized trees that I got from Walmart and hot glue those throughout the bottom. And then I take some faux snow I got from Dollar Tree and pour it in the bottom and then spread that out, making sure to fill in behind those trees and so the bottom's completely covered. And I'm also going to be adding a little figurine to the bottom as well. And that's it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.